Hey folks, well, yesterday a system moved in, and into the afternoon hours some heavy rain tracked up the Burin Peninsula, then worked its way onto the Avalon Peninsula. The area shaded in yellow was the area that was under a rainfall warning for totals around 50 millimeters. Here are the rain did move out late yesterday evening. Here's how much rain fell from yesterday morning to 5 a.m. this morning. St. Pierre, 74 millimeters. St. Lawrence, 62 millimeters. Argentia, 55 millimeters. Winterland, 46 millimeters. St. John's, 31 millimeters. And St. John's West, 21 millimeters. So the Burin Peninsula taking the brunt. Actually, the Burin Peninsula and the southern Avalon taking the brunt of this system. The northern Avalon, at least in St. John's area, 20 to 30 millimeters compared to the 45 to 74 millimeters of water that fell in southeastern Newfoundland. That's this afternoon. Another line of showers moved through the area. Gander this afternoon. Today they've seen about 14 millimeters. The rain is now starting to taper off. That's the latest.